Standard 7th, Chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 12.3. Question 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of first m minus 2. Here, we have to put the value of m is equal to 2 in this expression. So, putting m is equal to 2, we get 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Second one, 3m minus 5. Putting m is equal to 2, we get 3 multiplied 2 minus 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Third one, 9 minus 5m. Putting m is equal to 2, we get 9 minus 5 multiplied 2. So it's a 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Fourth one, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Putting m is equal to 2, we get 3 into bracket 2 square minus 2 into bracket 2 minus 7. 2 square means we have to multiply that number 2 times. So it's a 3 multiply 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7. 3 4s are 12 minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7, so it's a minus 11. So 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. Question 2. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of first one 4p plus 7. Here we have to put the value of p is equal to minus 2. We get 4 into bracket minus 2 plus 7. 4 2s are 8, so it's a minus 8 plus 7. Minus plus minus, sign will be the big digit, so it's a minus 1. Second one, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Putting p is equal to minus 2, we get minus 3 into bracket minus 2 square plus 4 into bracket minus 2 plus 7. 2 2s are 4, so it's a minus 3 multiply 4. 4 2s are 8, so it's a minus 8 plus 7. Now 3 4s are 12, so it's a minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8, it's a minus 20. Minus 20 plus 7, so it's a minus 13. Third one, minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Putting p is equal to minus 2, we get minus 2 into bracket minus 2 cube minus 3 into bracket minus 2 square plus 4 into bracket minus 2 plus 7. 2 cube means we have to multiply that number with 3 times. So it's a minus 2 multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So it's a minus 8. Minus 3, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 7. 8 2s are 16. Both the numbers is negative. So it's a 16. 3 4s are 12, so it's a minus 12 minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 3. Question 3. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus b square. Now here, two variable is given and we have to put the value of these two variables. Putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, we get 2 square plus minus 2 square. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Second one, a square plus ab plus b square. Putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, we get 2 square plus 2 into bracket minus 2 plus minus 2 square. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, here also 2 2s are 4. Plus 4 minus 4 it is cancelled, so the answer is plus 4. Third one, a square minus b square. Putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, we get 2 square minus minus 2 square. 2 2s are 4, here also 2 2s are 4, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Question 4, when a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, find the value first one 2a plus 2b. Here, putting a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1, we get 2 into bracket 0 plus 2 into bracket minus 1. Now any of the number when we multiply with 0, its answer is 0. So here 0, 2 ones are 2 minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. Second one, 2a square plus b square plus 1. Put the value a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. We get 2 into bracket 0 square plus minus 1 square plus 1. Here it's a 0, 1 ones are 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Third one, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. Put the value a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. We get 2 into bracket 0 square minus 1 plus 2 into bracket 0 minus 1 square plus 0 minus 1. All the numbers is multiplication with 0, so its answer is 0. Fourth one, a square plus ab plus 2. Put the value of a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. So here 0 square plus 0 minus 1 plus 2. So it's a 0 plus 0 plus 2. So our answer is here 2, not the 0. Here answer comes, it's a 2, not the 0. Question 5. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. Here we have to put the value of x is equal to 2. But in that case, one bracket is given, so first we have to simplify this bracket. So x plus 7 plus 4 multiply x, it's a 4x. 4 multiply 5, it's a minus 20. X plus 4x, it's a 5x. Plus 7 minus 20, so it's a minus 13. So now the equation becomes 5x minus 13. In that we have to put the value of x. So 5 multiply 2 minus 13. 5 2s are 10 minus 13, it's a minus 3. Second one, 3 into bracket x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. First simplify the bracket. 3 multiply x, it's a 3x. 3 multiply 2, it's a 6 plus 5x minus 7. 3x plus 5x, it's a 8x plus 6 minus 7, it's a minus 1. Now put the value in this equation. X is equal to 2. We get 8 multiply 2 minus 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Third one, 6x plus 5 into bracket x minus 2. First simplify this bracket. 6x plus 5 multiply x, it's a 5x. 5 2s are 10, it's a minus 10. 6x plus 5x is equal to 11x minus 10. Putting x is equal to 2, we get 11 multiply 2 minus 10. 11 2s are 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Fourth one, 4 into bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 4 2s are 8x, 4 1s are 4 plus 3x plus 11. Now put the like terms together. 8x plus 3x is equal to 11x minus 4 plus 11, so it's a plus 7. Now put the value of x in this equation. We get 11 multiply 2 plus 7. 11 2s are 22 plus 7, so it's a 29. Now the question 6. Simplify this expression and find their values. If x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Here 3 variables given and the value of this variable that we have to put in that equation. So the first one, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. First simplify this. Put together like terms, so it's a 3x minus x, it's a 2x, minus 5 plus 9, it's a plus 4. Now put the value of x is equal to 3. We get 2 multiply 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Second one, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Now put the like terms together. Minus 8x plus 4x plus 2 plus 4. Minus plus minus, but the sign will be the big digit. So here it's a minus 4x plus 6. Now put the value x is equal to 2 in this equation. Minus 4 multiply 2 plus 6. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 plus 6. Minus plus minus, sign will be the big digit. So it's a minus 2. Third one, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Put the like terms together. 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1. 3a minus 8a, it's a minus 5a plus 5 plus 1, it's a 6. Put the value a is equal to minus 1. We get minus 5 into bracket minus 1 plus 6. 5 ones are 5 plus 6, so it's a 11. Now the question 7. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into bracket z minus 10. First simplify this bracket, z cube minus 3z plus 30. Now put the value of z is equal to 10. So it's a 10 cube minus 3 into bracket 10 plus 30. 10 cube means we have to multiply 10 3 times, so it's 1000 minus 3 times are 30 plus 30. Minus 30 plus 30, it will be the cancel. So the answer is 1000. Second one, if p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Put p is equal to minus 10, so it's a minus 10 square minus 2 into bracket minus 10 minus 100. 10 tens are 100, 2 tens are 20 and minus 100 plus 100 minus 100, it will be the cancel. So the answer is 20. Question 8. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5? So here the given 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. In that we have to put the value of x. So 2 into bracket 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Now 0 in multiplication form. So here it's a 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So the answer is a is equal to minus 5. Question 9. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. 2 into bracket a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. First simplify the bracket. So 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now 2a square plus 2ab minus ab. So it's a plus ab plus 3. Now put the value a and b. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3. So 2 into bracket 5 square plus 5 into bracket minus 3 plus 3. 5 5s are 25, so 2 multiply 25. 5 3s are 15 minus 15 plus 3. 25 2s are 50 minus 15 plus 3. 50 plus 3, it's a 53 minus 15. So the answer is 38. Here the chapter 12 is over. In the next session we will discuss the chapter 13, new chapter. Thank you.